Yo, what is up, guys? We got the iPhone XS in the house. This is the 256 gigabyte version, and this is my first premium phone, so let's go ahead and check it out. If you hear any noise, that's my brother playing Fortnite. But let's go ahead and dive into this. Alright, let's see what we got here. Designed by Apple in California. Pamphlets, we got the SIM card tool remover, and we got some Apple stickers. Here we got the phone. Just put that to the side. They give you headphones. As you can see, they're USB. Oh my god. Break these things. As you can see, they're no jack, but they give you the, they at least give you headphones. You don't get the 3.5mm adapter, so you're gonna have to buy that separately. You get the Thunderbolt cable, and you get the slow charger. I believe this is not the fast charger. So that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and take this off. This is the space gray version, as you can see. And it's a really nice looking phone. It's really thin, thinner than I expected. Let's go ahead and boot it up and see if we got any juice in here. Where the heck is the power button? So I'm going to be documenting this experience. As you guys know, this is a sort of like a budget smartphone channel. We don't deal with premium devices. But as you can see, the Moto G6 Play all cracked up. I accidentally dropped it when I got out the car. As you can see, it's not that bad. So you can see that. Not that bad, but hey. Alright guys, so we're all set up. So as you can see, this thing is kind of a fingerprint magnet. As you can see, kind of fingerprints everywhere. But this is a really nice looking phone. It has a really nice weight to it as well. So as you can see on these sides, you do have the power button, the volume switch. Let me go ahead and focus this so you guys can see better. So you do have those right there. Or the mute switch, sorry. And you have this gigantic power button. I mean, it's really big, if you guys can see that. It's huge, and it makes it really easy to turn this guy on. And as you can see, the Face ID is really fast. It's really fast. I'll lower the brightness here. But that works, and I was really surprised with that. So my first impressions of this was never having one of these sort of edge-to-edge screen phones. The bottom of this phone is really beautiful. So when you are just in applications and stuff like that, having that much screen space is really different. If you're coming from a phone like the Moto G6 or something, that's really awesome. Now the top of this phone, it is a little annoying. You get used to it after a while, as you can see, but it's a little annoying. It's not as pretty as the bottom of the phone, obviously, but you get used to it. You almost like don't even see it. But iOS 11 is on here now. I haven't upgraded it, but as you can see, no home button, so that's how you multitask and stuff like that, which is really easy to get used to. You get the control panel like that, and you get to search like that. So that was really easy to get used to. Like I said, this phone, even though it has a pretty big display, you can still use it with one hand, and I have pretty small hands, so if you're worried about that, you can actually use this with just one hand, which is really awesome. Now if you get the 6.8-inch iPhone, then you're probably going to have to use it with two hands, but if you have small hands, it's definitely a really nice, comfortable phone to hold. So the camera's on the back. I tested them out a little bit and they took some, I'm gonna have to do more extensive in the sort of review. I don't want to do like a traditional review with this, but the camera, just taking some quick pictures and stuff like that, was really awesome. Portrait mode looked really pretty on here, so just stay tuned for that. I'm going to be showing you pretty much my experience coming from somebody coming from a usually just prepaid phones that are sort of on the cheaper side to this super high premium phone, $1,000 phone. So be sure to stay tuned for that. And so far, really nice. I'm going to get a case for this guy. Really paranoid about dropping and cracking it up and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that, guys, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.